Namaste. Hi, I'm Priya Deepak from Kitch.in, a natural cookware company. It's a one-stop solution for all your natural cookware needs. Now, the question is always asked is why these non-stick popular pans harmful to environment, and that's the whole reason why Kitch.in was started, and and its existence also is because of this. Is that it there was a need for an alternate cookware, you know, to be made available, and so going back to the question, yes, they are hazardous. And what happens? What happens is that when these cookwares are heated to a high temperature, there are, especially like 300 degrees centigrade above, there is a breakdown of chemicals which may leach into your food, and and also there are fumes which comes out, gases which may cause damage, and there are research showing that the manufacturers of these cookwares, the workers have adverse effects on that, and also to the damage around these factories. Now, going one step above all that is that what happens when these cookwares have to be dumped away, and basically they have to be thrown away after 1 year or so less, and these are all go into trash or landfills, and may take more than 1,000 years or so to degrade, and yes, it causes a lot of environmental damage. So there are different types of natural cookware made of cast iron, clay, bronze, stone, brass, wood, bamboo, and many more could be. So all these natural cookwares are non-toxic and natural and healthy. They do not have any impact on your health, and they basically, if they are used continuously, they may even give some health benefits. Like cast iron, it gives benefits like iron, and some of the clay have makes the food much more tastier, and a lot of the vitamins and the minerals. Now, going back to some of the important cookwares like cast iron, they are excellent source of iron, and in some of the studies done in states where there were women folks anemic, the cast iron cookware have provided a lot of health benefits. And similarly, all other cookwares, even it has its own benefits in terms of the taste to the food and all, but they also help in locking up the nutrients in the food. Now, going back to the environmental, there is no damage, because these cookwares, even though when they're heated into high temperatures, especially cast iron, they can withstand the high temperatures. You can even go and bake them inside the ovens, and what would happen is that they have a consistent heat retention properties, and some of the food remains for long. For example, in clay and in stone, you can actually cook your food and leave it, and they become much more tastier. So and you don't have to dump them anywhere. If it's a clay and it's broken, it'll just go back into your nature and take its form. Cast iron, you never have to throw them away, because they are getting seasoned and getting better and better on every use. There is no coating, there is no toxic chemicals coming out of it, and what happens, this gets passed on to generations. So natural cookware cannot be used in its raw form. It needs to be made ready, and that's called seasoning. And at Kitch.in, our chechis, each cookware is actually hand seasoned using traditional methods, and we basically don't say pre-seasoning. We call it hand seasoning because that's what we do. And these cookwares are made ready. And so, this is the important aspect which got actually missed in the kitchens, and people left these cookwares away long back. And it's coming back to modern kitchens. People are adopting it. You know why? Because they get the ready-to-use natural cookware at their doorsteps. We have users across the world. They're responding very well. There's a very good positive trend I'm seeing towards adoption of these cookwares. And the most important aspect is that as much as you take care to pick up the best ingredients to cook, it's also very important that you use a healthier natural cookware. That's where there's something which you can actually do to make yourself healthy and protect your family and make this environment safe. And we have users across the world, and they love the ready to use cookware. And natural cookware is taking its form in today's modern kitchen. It's finding its way. People are loving it. People love cooking in it. There's a nostalgia behind it. There is a health benefit to it, because as much you would love to use the best ingredients to make the food, it's also important that you use the most healthiest cookware, which is a natural cookware in making your food. So invest in healthier and more environmental friendly